Now guys, it's time for one more experiment and we are going to do a rainbow. Rainbow has many colors in it. For this experiment, we will need candies like this and a plate and some water. What we're going to do the first, we need to put the candies around our plate. Yellow, purple, green, orange, red, one more purple, yellow, orange. Okay, and now we need to put some water. I have a pipette, and starting from the middle, we put in some water from the middle. Oh, look, see, the rainbow is appearing. See, the lines from each candy go to the middle. Look how beautiful. See, we have yellow, purple, orange, green, red. And see, they all go to the middle. And now we will have a big, beautiful rainbow. See, almost done. Very beautiful, yeah? You can do it at home by yourself. You will need just candies and water. Here is our rainbow. Now guys, we are going to sing with you a song about the itsy bitsy spider. You need your hands and repeat after me and try to sing the song. Are you ready? Let's start. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Now let's do one more time, but let's make a big spider. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Now let's do one more time with the small spider. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Now let's put a little spider on your head. Now let's put a spider on your neck. And where does the spider go? On your nose. Now he's going down, 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 down on your knee. And our spider is going away. Bye-bye. Now it's time for a new book. About the weather, of course. The book is called The Little Raindrop by Joanna Gray. Are you ready? Raindrop. One dark and stormy day, a little raindrop fell out of a cloud and flew faster and faster through the sky. See, it was falling from the clouds on the ground with the other raindrops. A crust wind blew little raindrops sideways, and in a dazzling flash of red, orange, and yellow, he found himself inside a rainbow. A raindrop appeared in a rainbow. Enjoying the beautiful colors, little raindrop fell through green, blue, and violet before another gust of wind blew him out of the rainbow. The raindrop fell through the rainbow and fell down on the ground. Splash! Our rainbow splashed. Little raindrop landed in a shallow puddle on top of a large rock. A puddle. Our raindrop fell into the puddle. Splish, splash, splosh. Lots of other raindrops fell all around him until the puddle was overflowing. See, many other raindrops fell into the puddle. Little raindrop ran down the side of the rock and joined a stream. All these raindrops, they became one big stream of water. See, many raindrops became water. The raindrop was moving in the water and playing with other raindrops and with fish. That time, a reindeer and a rabbit came to the river to drink water, and our raindrop was also playing with them. Our little raindrop was playing with kids. See, a little girl and a boy, they came to the water and a raindrop was playing with them too. And there were leaves on the water. And who was here? A little caterpillar. Our raindrop also played with a little caterpillar. So much fun! After some time, the stream joined a river and a little rainbow was swimming with fish. After some time, the stream became harder and our raindrop swam way into the ocean, and there were many dolphins that it could see. The raindrop was playing with the dolphins. But one day, little raindrop back to the beach and he surfed on the waves. See, when we are at the beach, there are many waves, and our little raindrop enjoyed himself surfing the waves. Then our raindrop became tired. And what happened next? The sun started to shine on the sand and on the water, and our raindrop with her other raindrops friends started to go up to the sky from the ground. And they all made a big cloud again. Many raindrops, they make a cloud, and our little raindrop was ready to fall again on the ground and begin his journey one more time. Now guys, we have the task to do. You will need your worksheet and a marker or a pencil. In one column we have pictures with weather, and here we have the words with this weather, but they are mixed and we need to match them with the pictures. So let's look at the first picture. What do we have here? We have a cloud, rain, and lightning. So how does it called when we have clouds and lightnings and rain? It is a storm. So now let's find here the word storm. The word storm, as you can hear, starts with the sound S. So we need to find the word starting with letter S. Let's see. We have here is the first word. Let's read it. S-N-O. Snow. Is it snow? No, it's a storm. So let's look at the second word with letter S. S-T-O-R-M. Storm. So this is the word which we need. Let's draw the line from this word to the picture. Okay, ready? Now let's look at the second picture. Here it is hard to understand, but it is fog. When we have, it's usually in autumn, in the morning, when we can't see clearly. In the air, there are some like drops, and there is a fog. So we need to find the word starting with letter F. Where is it? Here it is. The first letter F. Let's read it. F-O-G. Fog. So let's draw the line. When we have fog, the weather is foggy. Okay, next picture. What do we have here? We have here cloud and snowflakes. So what is it? It's snow. Now let's find the word starting with letter S. Here it is. S-N-O. Snow. Let's draw the line. Good. Next picture. Wow, it's tornado. Yes, you remember tornado, it's spinning around. It's a very dangerous thing in weather. So tornado starts with letter T because we have the first sound T. And we have two words left. One is with letter R and the second is with letter T. Let's read it. Tornado. Tornado. Now let's draw the line from the picture to the word. Tornado. And the last one, we have a cloud and many raindrops. So what is it? That's right, it's rain. Where is the word starting with letter R? Here it is. R-A-N. Rain. That's the last word we need. So we are drawing a line. Let's repeat one more time all the phenomena of weather that we had. So this is storm, this is fog, snow, tornado, and rain. Very good. Well done.